channel Plant Instrumentation. इस वीडियो में we learn about DP differential pressure type flow transmitter. इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपके मन में DP टाइप फ्लो ट्रांसमीटर को लेके जो भी सवालात हैं उन सब के जवाब आपको मिल जाएंगे। इसके लिए भाइयों आपको पूरी वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी। What is differential pressure DP type flow meter? It is a type of measuring the flow using differential pressure generated by flow sensors based on Bernoulli's theory. What is Bernoulli's theory? The total energy of flowing fluid incompressible is remains constant at one point to another. What are primary elements of flow? Are flow sensor, orifice plate, venturi tube, pitot tube, wedge, flow nozzle. Types of orifice plate: concentric, eccentric, segmental, quadrant edge. What is meaning of delta P and where the square root to be configured? Delta P means change in pressure. Square root can be configured either field side or DCS side, but most of the time it is configured in field side only. What is the relation between delta P and flow? The square root of differential pressure is directly proportional to flow measured in flow line. Q is equal K under root dP, where K constant, dP is equal differential pressure. Types of manifold used in DP type flow transmitter: 3-valve manifold, 4-valve manifold, 5-valve manifold. What is vena contracta? When the fluid passes through the orifice plate, the point where the fluid pressure is minimum and velocity at maximum after the restriction is called vena contracta. What is beta ratio in orifice plate? Beta ratio means the ratio between orifice diameter and pipe diameter. The best beta ratio is between 0.3 to 0.8 to avoid flushing and noise. Difference between mass and volume. Mass means amount of matter an object contains. Volume means how much space it occupies. How to calibrate the DP type flow transmitter online? First of all, I'll put MOS maintenance override switch from DCS PLC system. For ESD devices, I'll change the controller to manual mode. For PCS devices, open the equalizer valve from manifold. Close both isolation valves equally and slowly. I'll close high pressure side first, followed by LP side. Open the vent valve and drain the fluid inside the manifold. Close the equalizer valve and vent valve. Connect the pressure calibrator on HP side and LP side. Leave for atmosphere pressure. Start calibration from 0% to 100%, like 0%, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Pressure range and check the respective flow in display as well as DCS. Repeat the same for 100% to 0%. After completing the calibration, open the vent valve and release the pressure and open the equalizer. For taking the flow transmitter into online, close the vent valve and open the HP and LP isolation valves equally. Finally, close the equalizer. Remove MOS from PLC DCS or change the controller to auto mode. What is static zero check? A procedure for checking the transmitter output is equal to 4 milliamps when its HP and LP chambers are equalized and are at the operating pressure. How to zero check the DP type flow transmitter? Close the LP side process isolation valve, open the equalizer, confirm the zero in transmitter display as well as DCS also. After zeroing, close the equalizer. Finally, open the LP side process isolation valve. How to flush in DP type flow transmitter? Open the equalizer, close the both HP and LP side isolation valves, open the vent valve, open the HP side isolation valve and flush the line. Then close the HP side and open the LP side valve, flush properly. Close the LP side isolation valve, close the vent valve, open the HP and LP side isolation valves, close the equalizer. Where the transmitter mount for gas, liquid and steam lines. Liquid line below the orifice plate, liquid line below the orifice plate, gas line above the orifice plate, steam line below the orifice plate with condensate pot. What is the use of condensate pot? Condensate pot is used to catch and hold condensate and prevent any foreign material getting into the instrument. Main provider of DP flow transmitter, Honeywell, Yokogawa, Rosemount.